Hi guys, if you are trying to use your 8BitDo Pro 2 with PS4 or PS5, you have probably noticed that it doesn't connect directly. So in today's video, you are going to learn what actually works here, what doesn't, and the best workaround. So the 8BitDo Pro 2 does not officially support the PlayStation consoles. Even if you pair it via Bluetooth, it won't function properly for gameplay, and this is due to Sony's controller authentication system. So to make it work, you need to use another adapter like Mayflash Magic S Pro or similar. Then you need to plug that adapter into your PS4 or PS5, and then you can pair your controller to that adapter. The adapter converts the signal so that the console accepts the controller. You can switch your Pro 2 to X input mode before connecting to the adapter, and this is going to ensure the proper button mapping and stable input. The wrong mode can cause the lag and incorrect controls. So this is the easiest way for use the controller on PS4 or PS5. Thank you.